Hey guys, it's Buckflare. I'm back with another episode. So today, we're doing the part 2 about the bird over that way. The robin that died. So we're gonna go check that out. First, we gotta load out Chick-fil-A's.
And if you guys can see our way down, that was a big fat pig. He been eating all our chicken food, and he been wasting all money because that's why his belly's so fat, guys.
Man.
Try, Mom.
No, it's this. It's open. It's hard doing it with one hand.
Why to do it?
There we go. There you go. Free Chick-fil-A.
Some of the chickens were out if you didn't see that. I mean, if you saw that. Now we're doing part 2. Oh, it's starting to sprinkle by.
It's barely. We'll find.
Yeah.
The robin. I don't want to shoot birds right now unless I need to. Okay. Whoa! Look at that. That is a tent.
Guys, that was Neville Bell.
Well,
Did you see that white truck all the way back though?
It is a the truck that's fixing our I think like electric box.
Yeah, I think so.
They're fixing the electric box since somebody or something ran over it and like had wires everywhere. There it is. Man. This camera ain't very good.
I know.
Okay. It's like something dragged it out. Something just dragged it out in the middle. I don't know if it got ate.
I don't know if
It's a robin, so
is it up?
if you don't like dead carcasses, I'm warning you. Just move along and don't look at this video. It's gone.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, it's gone.
It is. Guys,
Right there. That's the bird.
Yeah, it used to be right here, guys.
It's right there. It got dragged out of that.
Yep.
And
There were 2 robins over here.
yeah, there's 2 dead robins.
The first one I took it away, and the other day, the one right here was still here, and today it's gone.
It was probably last night. I think it's like it has to be some kind of animal. If you see it, I don't know, really. I think, look, the wing,
Yeah.
the wings right here.
Wing this got ripped off.
I think it's a cat or it's a cat.
Guys, let's go over.
It's a cat or raccoon. That's all I'm saying.
Whoa.
I was doing a part 2. I was going to. There's nothing. The animal just got its entire body ate. I'm saying it's a cat.
I'm saying it's a raccoon.
Yeah, a raccoon or I don't. It would have killed our chickens by now.
I think it's a cat or.
It has to be.
I guarantee it's a cat or a raccoon.
Cat or raccoon. Yeah. It could be. Okay, I thought that was something stinky. Okay, let's give you an update about the blackbird
Yeah.
in Syria. Okay, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out.
Yeah, it got right here.
Yeah, it's right in there.
It's right here.
Man, that wasn't cool.
And we did.
Yeah, if we go over here, there was a dead sparrow too.
Yeah.
I'll go over here. Look at that little dovetail. Oh, cutie pies. I like doves. They're beautiful. If we go over here, there's something.
I like them. Don't you?
Yeah, they're cute. There's, oh man.
It might not.
Right down here, there's like a dead corpse. It's down in there somewhere. It's gone. Yeah, it's been gone for like 2 days or something. That's why I didn't want to do an episode on it.
Oh no. Look at this one.
I didn't want to do an episode because there was really no Yeah, I don't really mind the robins. They're perfectly fine.
This gun is heavy, guys.
This just went to a boring episode. But it is really mysterious.
But guys, this gun right here is really heavy. It's pretty heavy.
Man. If you like these kinds of episodes, so well, I'm ending the video right here. If you like these kinds of episodes, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button. And I will see you next time on Buckflare. Please subscribe. Please, just please. Peace.